Hello everyone. Have you ever wondered what is Pega? Let's explore. Is it too technical? Let's break it down. Pega is a low-code platform. What does it mean? So it means in order to develop any Pega application, you are not expected to be the master of programming because most of the features are already developed by Pega system. You just have to plug and play as per the business requirement. So that's the reason we call it as a low code platform. Hope you are clear about the low code platform. Moving on. Let's understand what is workflow automation with a small example. Imagine that your cell phone has lost its signal. You reach out to your nearest service center. There you approach a customer service executive to register a complaint. He logs a request on your behalf, collects the details regarding the issue, maps a new connection, and then activates the new connection by validation. And then she closes the request. This end-to-end process is called as a workflow. Business will generally have several workflows like this for a day-to-day operation. With Pega, these workflows can be automated into a business application. I hope you are clear with workflow automation. Moving on, now let's explore AI powered decisioning. Have you ever noticed during festival times you may get customized offer based on your usage? You may get offers on data. Your friend may get offers on voice call. This differentiation on the offers based on the usage is done by the AI decisioning. Based on existing choices, the AI will come up with personalized offers for the customer. That's the reason there is a you get something and your friend will get some other offer. So now let's summarize. So Pega is a low-code platform for workflow automation and AI-powered decisioning. In simple words, it helps businesses to grow by automating its day-to-day operations. Hope you're clear. See you soon. Signing off.